This is Chip's online lost item, level 1. Start line marked by these yellow cones. Far right side of the zone, orange zones. Back wall by that half wall. The left side, the white wall. Search area includes all the chairs, the table in this area. He is searching for a technology item, this remote control. I'm going to place the remote right there. And I'm going to go get Chip. Chip! Yeah, it's a boy. Thank you. Find it. Too far. Chip, back. Too far. Chip. Come back. Atta boy. Too far. Chip. Chip. Come back. Chip. Here. Get to work. We'll find it. Alert. Good boy. Where'd it go? Yes. There you go. Good boy.